Good morning, catastrophic science students. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and today we begin Water Pollution Disaster Week. We begin the survey of water pollution disasters. This week we're going to take a look at some of the worst water pollution disasters that have occurred throughout the world, including in the United States. The survey will take place over 4 days. Today we'll do part 1, Wednesday part 2, Thursday part 3, and Friday we'll do survey part 4. On Google Classroom you'll find a handout waiting for you with several pollution disasters. There's about 4 or 5 that you're going to look at each day, and you'll be doing research on those. You'll need to write one complete paragraph for each of these. The complete paragraph should include all the interesting information regarding this disaster. You'll research these on your own. There are no links provided for you because these are major disasters. Really, if you just copy or if you just type in the heading for each of the different disasters and Google it, you'll get plenty of information to write a full, complete paragraph. Plenty of space is there. If you choose to want to do it in bullet form instead of paragraph form, that's permissible. So if you don't want to write an extended paragraph, you just want to bullet what happened, where, when, what was the cause of the pollution disaster, what were the circumstances surrounding the pollution disaster, that's all stuff that you'll write in your paragraph. I'll ask you to share each day your work that you've completed that day. Remember, you should not be spending more than 30 minutes per day on any of these assignments. So if you don't finish up, share what you've done that day, share what you completed in that 30 minutes. The next day, if you have a chance to catch up, you can do so, but we don't expect more than 30 minutes a day. If you're averaging 4 or 5 paragraphs on each of those days, that you should be able to get done in a half hour, but if you don't, that's fine. Just do your best. And again, share it with me. My email is Steve, not Steven, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. Make sure you're not sharing it to a student account, steven.hippemeyer@KCS Students. I won't receive that one. You've been doing a great job. Keep working. Yesterday, if you happen to not get it completed, yesterday we did a current event on last week's major tornado outbreak in the southeast of the United States. That's a paragraph that is very interesting to do because there was a dramatic tornadoes that ripped through. There was a huge outbreak last Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday in the southeast. Just give me a paragraph on that information about what happened there. That's a current event. Good luck. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, and enjoy researching these worst water pollution disasters of all time.